Yo guys, it's Matty K here, and what I want to talk about today is how you can become insanely magnetic and insanely charismatic by, instead of trying to be a 10 out of 10, actually becoming a 1 of 1. And I'm going to fully dissect exactly what that means very, very shortly. But to give you the gist of this, a lot of people in society that I've noticed, and me myself included when I was a bit younger, are trying to live up to society's standards of what you're supposed to be. Whether that be like you're supposed to be, in really good shape, you're supposed to go through this corporate world and work and make a lot of money via corporate world. Whether you're supposed to look like this, whether you're supposed to act like this, you're supposed to say this, you don't say that. You're supposed to be interested in these things. You're supposed to like these TV shows. You're supposed to like that music. There's a concept called groupthink, where society kind of pressures you to fit into like a bit of a box, to where this is what is acceptable, acceptable interests, acceptable hobbies, acceptable way to live your life. And there's this kind of groupthink that actually hinders individuality. But I want to talk about in this video how, instead of trying to be a 10 out of 10, fully up to society's standards, how actually becoming a 1 of 1, fully a unique version of yourself. This is actually how you become insanely charismatic and achieve massive, massive, crazy results in life beyond your wildest imagination. I'm going to be the living proof of this. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. So I'm going to give you an example. When I'm talking to people, I have some pretty interesting interests. Like, for example, I love eating organic food. I love organic food. I shop at the organic whole food shops. I get all these different organic vegetables, organic fruits. I get organic grass-fed steaks and organic eggs. I have different supplements I take, like collagen, like creatine. I take zinc, vitamin D3, K2. I take lion's mane mushrooms, magnesium, turkey tail mushrooms. I'm gonna get into chaga mushrooms. I am really, really into organic health and wellness kind of things. I love the sauna, I love the cold plunge, I love all these kind of things. Talking about organic food and all that, it's somewhat accepted in society. Most people think it's pretty garbage, to be honest, and you can tell the state of that. If you ever go to a supermarket, oftentimes it's very hard to even find one healthy food in the whole supermarket. So when I talk to people, when I was a bit younger and I was talking about my passion for organic food, I was always a bit hesitant. I'm like, yeah, I kind of like eating, some organic food, and I'd be seeking approval. I'd say that, and then I'd be gauging their reaction to see if they approved or not. And a lot of times people are organic food, that's a scam. And I'd be like, oh yeah, maybe it is. So I'd just be falling to other people's frame. But now what I do, and this is the kicker, is I fully own my love for organic food and supplements. So when I talk to people, I've actually convinced lots of people to try organic food and share my love of organic food since I've started doing this, is I will just fully own it. I was with this girl a few weeks back, and there was a Whole Foods place near where we were at, and I was just saying, they've got organic banana chips in this Whole Foods place. We have to try it. I'm telling you, when you eat these organic banana chips, not only are they super healthy for you, they're made with beautiful organic coconut oil, which is a really good fat, amazing for your health. They taste incredible, and it's good for you. It's literally a win-win. We have to get some. So I will just speak about my love for, organic food. In this case, it was these organic banana chips with massive, massive passion. And then what happens is the person I'm talking to, they're like, oh yeah, let's do it. Let's get some banana chips. And this has actually happened to multiple different people. I'm actually getting a lot of people into organic eating now. The reason I'm doing that is because my frame on it is so strong. In my mind, I have absolute certainty that eating organic food is the way to go. So when I say it and I have the utmost conviction about it, what often happens is people will fall into my frame and they'll want to actually try that organic food. I'm getting them out of the groupthink society frame. That organic food, what is that? It's a bit of a scam. What? It's more expensive. Why would I do that? Into this is amazing. My energy is gonna go up. It tastes awesome. Organic food is incredible. So that's one part of being a 1 of 1. It's owning your interests and your passions and your hobbies and speaking about them with unfiltered conviction. Whatever you're interested in, don't filter yourself based on what society thinks is acceptable. If you love, for example, I don't know, some crazy niche video game, share that love and share your passion unfilteredly and just fully express that love that you have for, let's say, I don't know, World of Warcraft. If you absolutely love it. I love leveling up my, okay, I can't do this one, but if you love World of Warcraft, then speak passionately about that. I'll fall into your frame if you're fully into it. And the other thing I want to talk about, so there's your interests, your passions, and fully having conviction with that, but also just embracing your like unique quirks. So when I speak with a lot of freedom of expression. I have my own really natural ways that I express myself. I have my own unique ways that I like to make jokes. My own kind of like unique ways that I tell my stories. Instead of second guessing myself, I just fully own it. I don't try to live up to society's standards of like what an acceptable joke is, or what an acceptable way to tell a story is, or what an acceptable like range of expression I'm supposed to have. Like, am I supposed to talk like more monotone, or you know, what's like acceptable? I just fully own who I am, and I express that to the world. So I love myself fully. It actually comes back to, if you've seen my video I did on self-love, then it comes back to loving yourself fully, and then just overflowing and spilling it out and giving that love and just sharing value with everyone, everywhere you go. And when you do this, you become like a magnet. You become radiant. And all of a sudden you'll start noticing people around you just kind of gravitate towards you. You start telling stories and everyone listens. You start speaking about your passions, everyone's interested. You start telling jokes and everyone laughs. It's unbelievable. It's that conviction that you have. It's that self-love you have, and just fully sharing, fully expressing yourself, unfiltered. When I started doing this, I couldn't believe the results. Like, I used to be younger, I used to be super shy. I used to second guess everything that I said. I used to be so nervous, and then every interaction I did have, people wouldn't, I feel like I couldn't get my opinions across. I feel like I had to filter myself. I couldn't express myself freely. My communication would be really stifled. And when I learned these principles, my life changed. I'm the top salesperson in my company. It's because I can speak with so much conviction. It's because I'm a one of one. My range of expression is phenomenal. My frame is strong. This is why I'm the top salesperson at my company. I want to teach you guys how to get out of the groupthink. Stop trying to become a 10 out of 10 and become a one of one. You know, I was talking with this girl a couple weeks back when I was in Queenstown, place in New Zealand. We're staying at this accommodation. I was telling her, I told her all this, and then I was just joking with her. I was like, you know what? You're a 10 out of 10. And she keeps saying, no, I'm not a 10 out of 10. I'm a one of one. I was like, no, you're a 10 out of 10. I'm a one of one. Because she actually, I gave her like this whole seminar, and she like fully grasped it and fully understood the idea. It was like a joke for days on end. I keep saying, there's the 10 out of 10. She's like, no. So you don't want to base yourself on society's expectations. You don't want to try and live up to society's standards of what you should be, how you should act, what you should be interested in, and all that. You want to become a one of one. And when you become a one of one, you become radiant. You become the guy or the girl that everyone's like looking at like, whoa, this guy is, or this girl is on like a different level. So I want you guys to really think about like what makes you unique. What's like your unique interest, your unique way of speaking, your unique way of communicating. What makes you unique? Like, what are your little quirks? And I want you to fully embrace it. I want you to fully accept it and fully just go all in with it. And when you do that, you become magnetic, you make more money, you have better relationships, everything in your life goes to a completely different level. It's literally just an upward spiral of abundance and happiness and love and sharing. It is absolutely beautiful. So I was super happy to be able to share this video and this concept with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.